Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and today I'm going to be talking about replacing the windscreen wiper motor mounts on your car. So there they are, they're right there, and there's three of them, and you can buy the replacement. They come as a stud with a nut and a rubber grommet, but they do not come with the big flat washers there. There's one on the top and one underneath that stops the bolt from pulling through when you tighten them up. So when you're doing it, keep the old washers because they don't come in the kit. It wasn't a particularly difficult job, and it shouldn't be, but I had a couple of problems, so I thought I'd pass on what I'd learned so you could face the same issues as me and get over them quicker. So first things I did was the night before I came to do the job, I lubricated the bottom nut with a penetrating oil and left it to soak overnight. Soaked them again in the morning, and the nuts came off straight away. And I used a small 1/4 inch drive ratchet to do this end bolt or nut on the stud, and then I had to use an open-ended combi spanner or ring spanner to get to the two other mounts because there's not enough room to get a ratchet in there. I also turned the battery off, killed the battery because I'm working around electrics, and then I pulled the motor up. You don't need to disengage the motor at all. It's fairly flexible on the rack here, so you can just hold it up out of the way while you're working, and then that's where I hit the problem. Studs came out easily, the nuts came off easily. I cleaned and put the washers to one side, cleaned underneath, and then I had to get the rubber grommets through the bracket because they sit either side. So if I show you what I'm talking about here, take the stud out. It's like a donut basically, and it's got a sleeve in the middle, and it sits on the bracket. That piece is on the top, that piece is underneath. The stud then goes from the motor, comes down through like so, and then you've got a washer either side, and then you do the bolt up and it holds the motor in place on top of the rubber mount and allows it to be solid but be rubber mounted. And it's a real chore to get the mounting rubbers through the bracket holes because the bracket holes are at least half the diameter of the rubber mount. Obviously they slip through. And I thought, well, this is an absolute nightmare. So I got the first two through. It took me 45 minutes. The job up until that point took about 20 minutes. And I thought with the last one, I thought I'd try something different. So all I did was I just cut through the middle and fitted the grommets either side, and then dropped the wiper motor mount through the grommets and then tightened them up. And that was much quicker. So I think just cut the grommets in half and then fit them as you go. What you need to do is take them all out at one go, replace the grommets, fit the studs onto the motor, drop the studs and washers on top of the first grommet, fit the grommets underneath, then the next washer, and then the nuts on top, and tighten them down. And it should take you about half an hour instead of an hour and a half, which is what time it took me. So it was a simple job made simpler. So there you go.